Once again, welcome all of you. And today's session we are going the next level. Yesterday, last session we discussed about various types of terminology like intelligent devices, smart devices, telecommunication, IT, and artificial intelligence. And in the last, we just put one question. Question is that if a two person is standing at the most popular border, India and Pakistan, that is the Baga border, one Indian person if calling to the same location, Pakistani person, so what is the path? So in this regarding today in this session, we find out the solution of that question. Before going start, we just discuss types of different types of media for the communication. First we media communication, then we go ahead. So media or communication, number one is that air, number two is that copper wire, number three is that EM oblique microwave, number four is that um, satellite, number five is that optical fiber cable, and one more media is most popular in the telecommunication world, that is the coaxial. Okay. So my question, Nana, with you, ki, in out of six media on your screen, which media is the most weak media? You can
Sir,
poor, weak media.
very poor media in
Yeah,
the given six.
in out of six on your screen. Air, copper wire, EM, satellite, optical fiber, coaxial. Which media is known as weakest media? You can say poor media. You
Biggest media is
weakest, weakest,
satellite,
weakest,
sir.
weakest, 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 weakest.
Weakest media is coaxial tube.
Here you can say
According,
coaxial. Okay. Uh, Actually, in the communication system, media performance is measured at two parameters. One parameter, how many length is covered. Second parameter,
okay.
quality of the communication, like wires, data like this. Okay. So
Yes,
in
sir.
general terms, the weakest media is in the terms of the communication is the air. Air is the,
AIR, sir.
yeah, air. Okay. But
Okay, sir.
it is a very good example. It is weakest, but most important in the weak.
Biggest and the most important is satellite, sir. According to
Yeah.
me,
No. This
because nowadays many are depending upon signals, and many are using phones. It depends on the satellites, no, sir, from which we type. The signals were
I
obtained
discuss
from the
one by one
satellites.
media. I discuss in the practical manner. Okay.
Okay.
Everything. Okay. In general terms, we can in out of six, we can say the most important media, definitely air is important in our human life. Without air, life is not possible. Okay. So here is the one example. You can say in every manner, either in the technology, either you can say in human life, either you can say any animals live living system is the most important. But due to the technology, due to the utilization of the communication system, it is known under category of the weakest, yeah, you can say poorest media. Okay. And now, but it is
Okay.
a when air use, when two-person directly standing each other, then communicate. Distance between air is 30 meter to 50 meter. Okay. Now, day by day, communication system required long distance communication. So in old time, I just say my childhood time, in my childhood time, that time we just use a small box and one simple wire connected this box, and I saying hi from one box to another box. Simply help of this wire, you can listen. So it is just in the, our village. So you can say ki if any two things connected by the, any other media like simple wire, yeah, any other types of connectivity possible. So if connect between two things, they will communicate from one location to another location. So in this, a copper wire is the most important from starting of the communication system and till time. Length of the copper wire, there are two types of copper wire used in the communication system. One is the thick wire, one is the thin wire. Thick wire length is the 6 kilometer and thick wire is the 5 kilometer. There are two types of wire, thick and thin. Okay. But length is possible only 5 kilometer and 6 kilometer. After some time, require more long distance communication. So use improvement of some another types of copper wire, some another manner, some geometrically designed, but by default they are copper wire. So in this length is possible to 30 to 60 kilometer in the coaxial. Okay, and same manner EM wave, it will be either 5 kilometer. Different types of EM a microwave system is available. Their length is either 5 kilometer, 1 kilometer is also 1 kilometer, 5, 7, 10 and 15 kilometer is possible in the our wireless communication through the mobile tower, either any tower. Satellite communication, definitely, no doubt, 3 satellite cover whole world, no doubt. But satellite is not come to category of the good communication system. Again, I repeat, satellite, 3 satellite, definitely it cover whole world, no doubt. But it not came under important media communication system because what happened, suppose at your home, Nana, you have the satellite TV, dish TV at your home. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what happened when rainy day session?
The signal goes out or the power goes out.
Definitely. The biggest drawback is satellite is that natural interference. So in India, this time in the south, a lot of rainy day. Same in the Rajasthan, there is no single drop of rain, and the same in the Kashmir, a lot of flood will be there. So it is not easy to satellite communicate everywhere due to the natural interference. In 2016, one new types of satellite communication available in the market, and this new types of satellite communication is known as Inmarsat, the new satellite communication system. This Inmarsat is not affected by nature. It is working all rainy day 24 hours without any interruption of the nature. So, but when in 2016 by BSNL, if government permit the satellite communication given to each and every customer, so definitely upcoming time is satellite era, no doubt. But problem is satellite is that one more big problem is that if we all depend on satellite, so what happened? You are know ki last 2 year back, I think 2 year back, one satellite launched to the Chandrayaan-2. Are you know about Chandrayaan-2? What happened? Chandrayaan-2, yes. So Chandrayaan-2, if satellite is problem is that making a satellite, it take too long period, 10 year, 5 year, 6 year, too long period. First problem is that, and after making satellite, it is not sure it will be perfectly restored in the orbit in in the universe. It is not possible. Big, very good example, Chandrayaan 2. Last moment, it is failure. Suppose satellite launches successfully in the space, no problem. But during communication, if we depend totally on satellite, and suppose there is some problem created in the satellite communication system, it is possible any engineer go to the satellite and restore that problem. That is not easy. Suppose you are posted in ISRO system, Nana, suppose you are posting in ISRO system, and there one satellite is in the sky, and there is some problem available created in the satellite. So it is possible you go to the move satellite and restore that issue. Not easy. So satellite, the biggest drawback is the manufacturing time period. Number is uh, operation and maintenance not easy. So satellite communication may be one good communication, but in the practical manner not easy. But upcoming time, due to the technology, a lot of satellite available in the future. In LTTC campus also here in Marsat, it will be make only 1 year, 2 year maximum, and there is no natural interference. So definitely upcoming era is not 5G. Upcoming era is the satellite. So and after coming satellite communication, nobody move mobile communication. So, but in future, it may be up to December 2025. It is the future. But you can say in this time, out of 6, satellite communication is not perfect, because traditional satellite communication completely interference by the nature. Okay. Now the next, optical fiber communication. In the current technology, optical fiber is known as the best media communication system in the world, because optical fiber communication system is complete communication from one country to another country, from one location to another location. Even in today, each and every home required optical fiber communication, because wireless communication is not successful communication, and it is not 100% effective. Okay, so in overall, currently as per technology, optical fiber communication in the present time is the best media communication. And advantage of optical fiber is that first, uh, high high speed internet you can possible in optical fiber. If anybody asks to you the maximum internet speed possible in the optical fiber, so by default you can say infinite bandwidth is possible. So further remaining part of the communication we discuss the later. Now just go real network of our telecommunication system from starting to till time. If you want to learn our network system in the current time, so definitely we go for a starting date to till time. So if you go visit any telephone exchange of BSNL, either Airtel, because BSNL, Airtel and MTNL, this is the in the telecommunication field, in the landline communication field, two old player. So if you are go any telephone exchange in your area, definitely telephone exchange will be there. So in the telephone exchange, one more important room is known as the switch room. When you visit switch room, it is the complete AC room, look like on your screen. There is the some rack is there, some people working with the computer. So this room is known as the switch room. Okay. And another room is the MDF room. What about this room? I discuss in the next slide. First, we just keep in the mind, if I visit any telephone exchange, so which room is available? First, most important room is the switch room. Okay. Second room is the MDF room. In MDF room, here it look like this, and in this room you are just find wire, and wire. And another thing is the power supply room. Power supply room, there is the one power, one the battery room. What happen if power supply cut your home? So what is your backup? everybody in the today, if main supply is failure, so in our home, what we arrange, we just arrange inverter system. In inverter system is nothing. When power cut, your total home load on your battery. So in the same manner, in any organization, if you want 24-hour power supply without any interruption, so such types of mechanism is available. Similar at your home. In the and suppose in the BSNL, there is a main supply. If mains is fail, so there is the one battery room. You're completely load on the battery. But in the telephone exchange, either in the ISP center, you not wait for the restoration of the main supply. In this case, we required additional generator room alternator. So when power cut, automatically load diverted on the battery, and after the 3, 4, 5, 10 minutes, we start the generator and load automatically divert the generator. And when mains return back, automatically overall power supply load return to the main. This is the mechanism whole world how to 24 hours power supply will be, their organization will be supplied it. Okay. Now that another one more room is the transmission room. This is a transmission room. This room is also look like as a switch room, but in comparison, the switch room very small. This is a transmission room. Okay. There is also some rack, but there is a very 1 or 2 people. But in the switch room, a lot of people are working, 5 to 10%. But in transmission room, single person is sufficient. But look likewise, you can say all are both are similar. Now, what is the meaning of trunk and local network? So just we start the network. Suppose you have one landline phone at your home in today. So this landline connect by the copper wire, and this copper wire connect by the LGU. Simple is the box. It box is available at your home. Any landline phone at your home, Nanda? At your home, any landline phone is there?
No, sir.
No. Are you?
No, sir.
Oh, don't worry. So
Hmm.
suppose if you today it okay, you have no landline, but upcoming future when fiber at your home, so definitely landline also will be there. Because today time each and every person just dependent on the mobile, but mobile communication is nothing. Wireless is nothing. Wireless communication only you wireless from your mobile to tower only, and nothing is wireless. Again repeat. Wireless means you are only from your mobile to nearby tower is wireless, and less everything is wire communication. So wireless, nothing is wireless. Okay. So in this case, first, if suppose you taking landline, any landline at today, so landline, this copper wire, this is box is available at your home, and this box go to outside your home. Nearby outside your home, there is one pole, either wall. This DP is mounted. In the DP, one customer, one wire, 5 customer, 5 different wire. So 5 different home. Okay, 5 different home. So at your outside home, there one is DP mounted on either pole, either wall. You can from this DP 5 different customer you can add here. Okay. In the electricity wire, normally electricity wire, and what is difference between the now telephone wire and electricity wire? In electricity wire, same wire, same plug, you can connect it phone, tube light, bulb. But in the telephone wire, each and every customer had separate wire, not electricity light. Okay. So one customer, this is the one wire, another customer. So here 5 customers suppose. So 5 customer make a single cable and move up. Single cable, but wire 5 pair is available, and move exchange side. And just move exchange side in the road, you can say such type of box. This is the pillar. So nearby all other DP also here collect remaining wire, and this pillar capacity is the 500 around customer. So nearby 500 telephone wire collected here and go to exchange side. And exchange side, this is the cabinet box. In the cabinet box is nothing. nearby, because this is the copper wire. Copper wire already told how many long possible, 5 kilometer to 6 kilometer. So if in any city, you just you can see ki every some distance there is one telephone exchange of the BSNL, because from starting to till time, copper wire is the main media communication, and length of the copper wire already told to you either 5 kilometer, either 6 kilometer. So each 5 kilometer radius, one customer telephone is possible, maximum 5 kilometer radius. So there is one telephone exchange is installed in particular area, and 5 kilometer radius, uh, all customer can be given to the telephone. Okay. So this customer just now inside the telephone exchange. This is outsider now just entering the telephone exchange. In telephone exchange, there is the first entry is the MDF. MDF is nothing, main distribution frame. In this room, only nearby 5 to 6 kilometer, all customer wire is collected here. They are collectively present here. So each and every box, single customer, single wire here. So, and next visit to the switch room. Suppose this customer is A and this calling to the customer B. Okay. If wire of the customer is here and also wire of the customer B is the here. So in old time, a lot of operator is available in the telephone exchange. They can manually connect to each other. In old time, if person A want to talk person B, but wire is available in the same, so Mr. A is calling, just to pick up the handphone, and here the person operator, a lot of operator, he just ask where you want to call. So just A inform, he called to Mr. B. So that operator manually taking the wire and connect to A to B, temporary basis. So they connect to temporary basis from A to B. This is known as the switch. What is the meaning of switch? Temporary basis, two customer connected to each other. In the old time, starting of the telecommunication system, this mechanism handled by the directly human. After some day, this switch room is complete change in the electromechanical switch, crossbar known and a trouser bar. And last 20 years, this is electronic switch. And current time, this switch is known as IP switch. Wire is same, wire is nothing changed, just this operation functionality is the change. Earlier, starting by the human, then electromechanical, then electronic, and today electronic IP switch, internet protocol switch. But role of all switch is very simple. How to Mr. A connect to the Mr. B. If wire is the same wiring, this is the local call. What is the meaning of the local call? Very simple. Nearby 5 kilometer customer, their all wire is the same exchange. They is known as the local call. Local call means the same city? No. Local call means the same exchange, same switch room. Again, I repeat. Technically, local means same exchange, same switch room, and same distribution are MDF, cabinet, pillar. This is the local call. Suppose one person is the calling here in the Ghaziabad, but person Mr. B is not available in the same switch, but same city, another switch. Because in the same city, every 5 kilometer radius, one telephone exchange is there. So, but Mr. A calling to Mr. B, but Mr. B is not available in the same switch, same MDF. In this case, what happened? That call is not known as the local call. Technically not local call. In the point of money, all India local, that is different thing. So now we can see customer, Mr. A. Okay. Now, Mr. A is calling to Mr. B, but Mr. B is wire is not available in this case. He is available another switch room. So how it's possible in how to mechanical problem this sort out in each every city there is one main telephone exchange. If you ask your parent, Nana, if you ask your parent, uh, your father, if please tell me where is the main exchange of city, they are very easy to say. Like where is the main exchange of telephone exchange? Everybody, your parent, your grandparent, very well known where is the main telephone exchange of the city. Very as similar, if anybody asks you where is the bus stand, where is the railway station, we easily can say na. So as same manner in the old time and not too much old, before 2005, if ask your parent, your grandparent, where the main telephone, they very easy to say where is the main telephone exchange. Okay, so in this case now, if this person is calling to Mr. B and wire is not available in this case, so in this case, this telephone exchange connected to the main telephone exchange via optical fiber. Keep in the mind, this is the optical fiber from 1986. From 1986, from our Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. That time Prime Minister was Rajiv Gandhi. From till time optical fiber. The optical fiber is not new technology. It already start working in the old time. So this just sending to the main telephone exchange. Main telephone exchange is switch room is known as DTAC switch room. Suppose this is the man operator. This is also operator. If calling to this person to be this phone A to Mr. B. So in this case, if where is not available, so this sending to the this main switch. So this switch room and this switch room both are same, but functionality is the different. What functionality of this telephone exchange? Function of this local switch, which customer, and what is the function of this switch? Which telephone exchange? So he just identify, okay, this is the same city, but another telephone exchange. So he just again forwarded that customer to that switch room connected. Okay, this switch room, okay, that person is the my switch room, okay, they connect. From this switch room to this path is the same MDF pillar cabinet. So this is known as the trunk call, intra-city and same city. STD, subscriber trunk dialing. Meaning of the subscriber trunk dialing is very simple. Okay, not on telephone exchange, another telephone exchange. Okay, so now next is that if anybody calling from one city to another city, this structure is a real structure. Are you getting my point? In the within the city, how to connect customer by the copper wire? It is managed by the switch room. Okay, and if buddy calling from one city to another city, in this case what happened? The Indian Telegraph Act 1885. India is the good that country already telephone communication started by the British rule. Uh, it is a lucky same time in the world. In England telephone system will be there, same time also telephone system in India. It is different matter. It is not used for the public, it is used for the Englishman only. But that time they make a rule, the Indian Telegraph Act 1885. Definitely that time and till time this rule is also applicable. They divided India into 4 different regions: NTR, WTR, STR, ETR. NTR, Northern Telecom Region, Eastern, Western, and Southern. Here just from today, here make a diagram. So you can easy to understand what is the meaning of NTR and other thing. Jammu Kashmir, Rajasthan, these all part of NTR. Then WTR, the WTR West. In WTR you can Gujarat, Maharashtra, okay, South, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu, Kerala. So this you can all imagine, no problem. So if anybody calling from one city to another city, but same region, so what happened in this case? In this case, very simple. Suppose Mr. A is calling to Mr. B but they different city, but same region, NTR. Okay. Suppose from Ghaziabad to Meerut. So what happened in this case? So this is the going, this customer connected to the local switch, this local switch. Okay, that customer is not related to me. Okay. And via optical fiber, this reaches the main exchange of the city. This is the D tax. In this case, we discuss about from one city to another city, how to communicate. So simply, if anybody calling from one city to another city, local switch just deny, okay, no, this is not available in the my telephone exchange, is sending to the main telephone exchange. This is the optical fiber. This is a local optical fiber. Main detect, just like in our city detect, same is another city also main exchange, telephone exchange, detect. So from one city to another city, underlaying optical fiber, again repeat, underlaying optical fiber. After this, you are very well known. Wireless is nothing. Wireless तो होता ही नहीं है. There is no any wireless. Okay. So from one city, optical fiber to another city, same detects. This is optical fiber, and this optical fiber is maintained by the NTR, and NTR by default of BSNL. From one city to another city, communication, either any company, either Reliance, either Airtel, this line is not laying by the everyone. This is the authority for only BSNL. If you are thinking Reliance Communication have the separate, no, locally he make separate network, no problem. From one location to another location, one city to another location, always government put own control, and this is the optical fiber in the current time, and by default managed by the BSNL. So earlier this media may be totally is optical fiber, very rare location there is optical fiber is not laying, so that is the microwave tower can be used, but it is very rare. 99.99% is the optical fiber. So same another city of the DTAC. Okay, this is the that customer related to the my city which telephone exchange, that sending the that switch room, and they will be connect. So this is the communication from one location to another location. Now, if anybody calling from one NTR to ETR, northern to south, northern to east, northern to west, what happened in this case? Very simple manner. In each every telecom region, there is one headquarter. Minimum there is two headquarter, but it's just one headquarter. Delhi is the headquarter for the NTR. Mumbai is the headquarter of the WTR. Bangalore is the headquarter of the STR, and Kolkata is the headquarter of the ETR. Okay. So if my detects identify, okay, if I'm calling that person is suppose Mumbai, so just detect sending to the detects of the Delhi. Delhi is the headquarter. So that detects telephone exchange is connected to each and every one, and that detect is sending to the main Bhopal, either Mumbai, and Mumbai again identify that customer belonging to which area location of the WTR, and in the local same manner we can disturb. Now mobile communication, what is the difference between mobile and landline? You can easily understand here. This is the general path of the communication system in on your screen. Already discussed this time. Okay. But problem is the landline communication is that from switch room to your home, number of customer, number of wire required. So in old time, a lot of waiting lists required, because 100 customer, suppose you have only laying 50 number of copper wire under, so you are only able to give telephone of 50 customer, 50 home. So in the day by day, every person required telephone at their home. So how to sort out this issue? Because if laying copper wire cost is too much high, their high rate, it is not easy. So for sort out this solution, we just put here one tower and mobile. So you connect the tower, but this tower is connected by the optical fiber. Okay, and same one tower, how many customer possible? 1024 customer possible. So one tower, 124 customer wireless connected, and this tower connected to the BSC, earlier known as the MDF in the landline case, and this connect the MSC switch room of the mobile. And same, if anybody can't calling by the mobile to the landline, just go and same go land. If calling to mobile, same, another side is also same mobile tower. So wireless is nothing. You are wireless from only from mobile phone to the nearby tower. And next, everything is the communication between via the wire communication. The most important question is the last day I'm asking to you. What happened if two person is standing at the Baga border? One is Indian, one is the Pakistani. So in this case, what is the path of the communication system? So either suppose you are standing at Baga border and calling one your mate, yeah, one Pakistani people, same he also is staying with you. Both are standing same location. So if you calling, so what happen in this case? Either mobile phone, either anyway doesn't matter. So you calling to the Pakistani, so just look at here. This go to the BSC. BSC is located in Atari border. Okay, this identify, okay, this is not in Indian location, current location. He's sending to the MSC, which again identify, oh, that customer is not related to the my telephone exchange. So he's sending to the Amritsar. Okay, Amritsar identify, okay, this is the ISD, no NTR. He's sending to the Delhi. This is Delhi headquarter. Delhi headquarter. Okay, this is the calling for the Pakistan. So in India, which location we go outside of from India? Mumbai. By default, Mumbai is that location. If anybody calling from outside India, this location is international gateway is the Mumbai. You are not allowed to directly enter in the Pakistan. The first Mumbai. So you just sending the Mumbai identify. Okay, this is the for Pakistan. Okay, Pakistan, but in the sea, some marine optical fiber laying between Mumbai to Karachi, some marine optical fiber under sea laying on the ground of the sea. Okay, but by default, relation between India and Pakistan is not too good. So all time this line is disconnected, permanently disconnected, temporary available, but we not use. So what happened in this case? In this case, my path is moved. I just show here. In this case, my path is moved Mumbai to go to the Chennai, Singapore. They go in all submarine optical fiber and go to the USA, and from USA to the London, all movement, and Dubai, Afghanistan, then enter in the Pakistan, and internally communication network of Pakistan is the similar like India. If two standing person at the Baga border, hi, hello message, move whole across the world. This is the path. This is the real path. There is no any wireless here used. So I just sharing one video, the real submarine optical distribution in the world. Okay. Now you are in
Good
note?
afternoon.
आप सभी लोग कैसे हैं? मेरी आवाज आ रही?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. So it is the good for you na कि it is a surprising कि nothing is wireless. Are you aware about this system arrangement? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
No,
now
sir. Not aware. No, sir. Under the sea.
I'm surprising you are telling yes. Okay.
Sir,
I am surprising you are telling yes, you are aware about this. I am telling you are telling na कि yes, you are aware about this network.
how? Okay, sir.
Okay. Anyway, just okay. Now wireless is not easy in whole world now. Completely, if you are communicate from one location to another location, today definitely you can say optical fiber is the most important media, but it is not easy because under laying C maintenance is not easy. So in this regard, another satellite communication is also will be available as a alternate of optical fiber. Upcoming future, optical fiber and satellite media both will be work together. Okay. So, but today most challenging, everybody want to high speed internet. To high speed internet, we current time due to the availability of the technology, only optical fiber fulfill our needs. So that you can say optical fiber in the current time is the most important media communication system. Okay. So either mobile communication, mobile is nothing, simply uh, from home, hand free facilities to all of you. Okay. So once again, I share this video to you personally. And again, if any doubt, you can ask tomorrow. Tomorrow we see the next level. What is the migration of the new technology, new network? Okay. So have a
Okay,
nice
sir.
day. Any questions you can ask. Yeah, you send a WhatsApp, no problem. Okay. Have a
Okay,
nice day.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.